Guys, we're getting ready to redo the space for fall. We're finna do some changes. Now you guys, some of the decor will change. Some will not, because we're still doing no spin once again. But let's get this room ready to be fallarized. Make sure you subscribe to GlamQueenofDIY. Started to take some things down. As you can see, we going lavender in here in the space. Now to you guys, in this home transformation, we are still not buying anything. You heard me right, not buying anything. If it ain't in our possession, we're not using it to style the space, because we're gearing you up for another transition coming very soon. Now you guys, my niece asked me, why am I putting fall out when it's hot? I told her, I says, in this YouTube world, fall has already begun. Now with that being said, we're gonna take down my curtains, and you guys, and we are installing those lavender and white faux silk curtains. I will include the link down in the description box, you guys. But like we stated before, this will be a complete no cost, no spin room styling, you guys. Make sure you do stay tuned for the channel. Thank you guys for your continued loyal love and support. Your girl is still trying to get her mojo back. We still do have a lot of content, you guys, and I am on the fence about releasing that content. Let me know if you still want to see all of the other recorded content, and we will put it, more than likely it will go on the Her Home is the Home Decor channel. But with that being said, you guys, just continue to follow us along, and as you're going to see throughout this video, I didn't measure anything, and this was a fairly easy clean with me and the decorate with me, because we are only using stuff at our home, but we're just trying to tidy things up and change things over for the fall. And you know your girl likes to layer her bed, so we're gonna add this lavender bedspread on top of the white. You guys, if you would like, I could include the links for this white bedspread and this lavender as well down in the description. Now both of these bedspreads, because that's how they are listed. I like bedspreads because comforters still are short to me, but they are 106 by 118, and you know my bed, you guys, is a California king, so therefore I do need all oversized pieces. If not, my covers are just barely over the top. And you can save yourself money and storage, you guys, by doing pillow covers. It's one of my favorite, because pillows are very bulky and they do tend to take up a lot of space, so I like using pillow covers. And I will tell you, when you get our ultimate fall room space, you're gonna see some different. I did try out a new vendor that specializes in the pillowcases, so you guys stay tuned. I may give you a sneak peek somewhere on the screen on the actual website. And we're just going to change out these mirrors for my lavender DIY wall art. You guys, I will include the link for this wall art down in the description box. But I did these wall art probably about 2 to 3 years ago. They have still been in our arsenal of home decor supplies, and as you can see, I'm just changing over the hooks. I wanted to see, using the existing hooks, how close they were. I'm going to tell you guys, and you're going to see it because I did not edit it out. I normally actually do real measurements, but this video here, I didn't do that for anything, and you're going to see it because it's going to require me to actually change out where I'm going to actually have to hang it more than once, as you see here. But you guys, you know, I do like to tell you, measure once, measure twice, measure 3 times, then you it's hanging done. And my another tip, you guys, anytime I hang something, I leave the markings of the hooks, because a lot of my hooks, depends on the picture, I will go ahead and plaster over the holes, because I do use the wall mounts with the fasteners, because I typically like to hang my pictures with at least a 50-pound weight, so that if I pull something down and I'm putting up something heavier, I don't have to worry about it falling or tearing up my sheetrock. And you know, these canvases are very light, but the mirrors that I did take down was actually about 40 pounds each. And we're getting ready to hang the center portion. I'm sorry, we're getting ready to hang the picture that's in the center of the bed. Now you guys, like I stated before, I did not measure anything. I just used some of my hooks that I had, and I realized that this picture here did not have physical hooks. I'm gonna have to change the hooks, or actually add hooks to this frame. And if you're liking fall thus far, put me a comment fall down in the description. Also too, you guys, let me know what is your favorite season forest decorating that is down in those comment sections. Make sure to always talk to me in the comment section. I love talking to you from there. Also, always check my description box. And you guys, I know my description box is actually longer, but I include a lot of useful information for you in that description, with affiliate links and discount codes, and also promotional things as well. So make sure you do check that description box. And to you guys, if you want to stay informed on what we're doing here on our channel, make sure you also, and I'm going to put a link or an email in that description, and just send a message over so we can add you to our email list for all upcoming events. And we're going to use that as well for our giveaways as well. And if you guys are in the market for a cordless vac, make sure you check that link, and it's gonna say sponsored content near the bottom of the description box to snag you one of these great, and I mean this is a great cordless vac. I also will include that video link for it also in my description as well, for the unboxing and the review of this cordless vac. And if you're still watching and you haven't joined the family, make sure you subscribe to the DIY channel, Glam Queen DIY, our home decor channel, Her Home Is, our tablescape channel, Her Tablescapes, our vlogging channel, Molux Vlogs, and also our shorts channel, you guys, and that is Her Shorts. Do click the link for these, and they are all down in the description. Now you guys, it's time for the big reveal. let me know too, you guys, if this master bedroom styling gave you some inspiration. And once again, we did feature the colors, the color lavender, and you know we do run white and silver in the space. And I can't wait, you guys, on our new journey. You're gonna be seeing totally different colors and all kind of sort of even a total different style. Make sure you guys come back for that. But drop me a comment down in the comment section and let me know if this gave you any inspiration. Now guys, always remember, positive energy always creates elevation. Now we rise. Don't forget to subscribe to all of the channels. And you guys, that is GlamQueenofDIY. Her home is her tablescapes, Molux vlogs, and also her shorts. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video.